Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithEd.com. Hey, so what is Forex trading and how does it work? So when you look at Forex, guys, Forex, I'm going to do my best to explain this as simple as possible. Keep it clean and crisp to try to break it down and also lead you to where you can get more in-depth information on it. But in a nutshell, Forex trading is simply the global exchange of all of the world's currencies. So for all the different countries that have currencies, this is where the decentralized trading takes place, the exchange of currency. You look at it like this. If you went to another country, let's say you're in the United States and you went to Great Britain, you're going to need to take the US dollar over there, and then you're going to have to convert it to the Great Britain pound. If you went to France, you're going to have to use the euro, Mexico, the peso. So it's the exchange of currencies to where you have to use that country's currency if you're going to go over there and purchase something, or just to utilize their resources. So but within that currency trading, you got to understand there's an exchange rate, and this pretty much breaks down to what you feel the value of one currency is compared to another. That gives you an exchange rate. And when you look at anytime you're dealing with Forex trading, there's always two pairs. And so the thing is that the Forex market, guys, is similar to the stock market, but much bigger. It's a $5.3 trillion per day industry, because you're dealing with all of the currencies across the globe. And when you look at what determines how do you trade it, how does it work, it's about just how the market moves up and down. You can look at one pair versus another, and you may, depending on what you feel that how that pair is valued, that currency is valued at that time, you may feel the US dollar is going up. And if you feel it's going up, you can trade it as a buy, also called going long, to take that trade, to take it up to where you're going to earn as the value of the US dollar increases. You may think that the Japanese yen, the yen is going down. Maybe some news came out or something that affected, and there are different things that affect the currency. It could be news based on every week, every day you have different leaders, different departments speaking that affects that currency, and it can cause a spike in the market temporarily, or it can cause a change in the trend, which now has that currency pair increasing in value or going down, decreasing in value. So there are a lot of things that affect it, and it is based on what you think, and then learning how the market moves, following the trend, learning all of the different charting techniques and strategies, all of the indicators. These are all things that help you determine. If you're wondering, well, how do I know what's going to happen? It's all a learning curve. But again, like I said, it's all about the exchange between each currency. If you feel it's going to go up, if you feel if that currency is going to go down against another currency, then you can go in, you can take a trade, put your trade in, and decide if you want to buy or you want to sell. And it's based on what everyone else is in the market is doing. And the way you figure that out is through learning, through education, and then also being able to utilize tools to help you put yourself in position to where you can profit off of this industry. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's pretty much what it is. It happens all day, every day, guys. If you go to an airport, every country here in the United States, we have central banks where they're trading Forex all the time. Currencies are coming in and going out all the time. If you go to an airport, guys, first time I saw it, I was going out of town to an event for Forex with IML, and I saw the exchange rate right there. It was pretty cool. That was the first time I had ever paid attention to it at O'Hare Airport. I live in Chicago, and that's the main biggest airport here. And I saw it. I was like, wow, there's a currency exchange right there. And then obviously you have currency exchange all across. Pretty much in our state. I'm sure they're in other states as well. So when you look at that, you understand that you got to be able to exchange currencies. When I went to Italy, I had to change in my US dollar for, I think at the time it was the euro, and get the Italian euro or whatever it was called. But so yeah, that's pretty much how it works, man. The market is always moving up or down. There's one currency pair against another. You have the exchange rate, and if you want to feel value, if one's going to go up versus one is going down, and you decide which one you want to take, and which route you want to go, and then you put yourself in a position to profit off of what's happening with that pair, what's happening with that specific currency in the market. But to learn more about that, you can click the link below this video or simply go to tradewithed.com. You'll get a complete overview of what Forex is, how it works, and you can decide if it's something that you want to take part in. The big part on top of that, guys, is becoming educated. If you're a newbie green, don't know yen from USD, all the different pairs, guys, you need to educate yourself and get better. And in my opinion, if you by clicking this link below, you're going to find out that IMarketslIve is the best place to get educated, to learn, to grow, and be able to tap into resources on a daily basis that will help you become well-versed and educated in Forex and be able to make money for yourself and your family now and then to the future, beyond, above and beyond. All right, so again, click the link below. Hope you all got some value from this video. With that being said, I will talk to you all later. Take care and have a great day.